Hi YouTube and welcome back to This Mummy Knows. For those of you who don't know, I'm Katie and I do videos on lifestyle, a bit of beauty and a bit of mummy life. So welcome and I hope you enjoy. Here we go again, 1 second. Your drink is in there, honey. Seriously, every video that I've done, we've had a little entrance from Miss Rosie. So I think she's going to be a YouTuber when she's older, because she does like to say hello. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. I have already opened my box from Space NK, but they've got a big sale on at the moment, so I thought I would do a quick unboxing. Right, sorry about that. Rosie couldn't find her drink, so she's now sorted, hopefully. Yes, so Space NK have got a massive sale on at the moment, and I could have gone really crazy, but I didn't. And I thought I'd just quickly show you what I got. So my first item is this from Diptyque, my favourite brand. I love the candles from this brand. They are lovely. My favourite is, now I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, is it Baez or Baez? Not sure, but anyway, that is my favourite. But I because it's normally so expensive, I tend to stick with going for just that candle, because I don't want to spend £48 for a candle and then not like the smell. So one of them has got a candle in it, and it's got some other scents, and because they are so cheap, they're normally £38 each, I think, and these are 18, a half price. I thought I would give some other scents a go and see what we've got in them. So we've got the tuberose candle. Gosh, the smell is amazing. Yeah, that's lovely. And we've also got Doson, I think it's a roll-on perfume. Oh no, it's actual perfume. Amazing. Oh, I'm going to look forward to testing these out. So that's what you get as a little perfume. And then I've also got a little shower oil in Doson as well. Sorry, I am really going to have to pause this because Rosie is potty training and she's just taken herself off. Very proud of you. Very proud. Now then, should we go and get a sticker and a chocolate? Yeah. Come on then. Okay, come here then. Do you want to choose? Yeah. This one? Here you go, honey. Here's a chocolate. So she gets, oh, that's okay. Hi, welcome back. Sorry about that, but I had to deal with a little toilet training that we're doing at the moment with Rosie. So anyway, when Albie's in his bouncer. So here we have, it's got a bit cold. Here we have my favourite, Baez. Oh, it's just lush. And then we've got Dan's Lou. Shower oil. That's quite nice. That's quite nice. It's not as nice as the other one. And Dan's Lou spray as well. Oh, now that smells nice. So Dan's Lou little perfume. Oh my goodness me. So I've cleaned the floor earlier and Rosie just got the mop out and it went everywhere. Oh, honestly, mum life. You can hear this going on. I mean, Albie is playing with his toys at the moment. So the next thing I bought was Long Lash Mascara from Laura Mercier. Now I have the MAC one, but I just wanted to have just to try a different brand, and as this was in the sale, I thought I'd give it a go. So it's a lovely, just really thin brush there, just to make your lashes nice and long. So I'll be testing that out. And that's it. That's all I got. I could have bought so much more, but I didn't. I've got a couple of samples here. I've got Drunk Elephant. That's a brand that I see a lot of advertisements. I've got that. I'm going to have to get Albie. Hey. He's got such a cold, which is why he's not been very happy today, and he's hardly slept because he's so snuffly. But he's giving you a smile there. Oh, bless him. Mwah. Right, so my unboxing, I hope you have enjoyed. I'm going to be looking forward to testing out these new scents. So head over to Space NK because they've got a sale on. I think it's the last week that they're doing that. So, oh, I've got another, a calming serum, Dr. Barbara Sturm. So I'm going to give those a try as well, and I can let you know if you'd like to know more. Is that it? That is it. I hope you've liked my video today. Sorry it's been a stop and start kind of video, but that is my life at the moment. I am trying to do my filming in between when they're napping or when Rose is at nursery. So I'm sure a lot of you can relate to this. So I'm going to try and laugh about it. Probably when I'm editing this, I'll probably be like, oh gosh. No, this is life, and I want to show it how it is. It's not all perfectly edited. So yeah, there's stuff in the background. As I wander around the house, it's a mess, and that is life. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next This Mummy Knows. See you later. Say bye, Albie.